Hey, it's Cassie again, and welcome to episode 2 of HubSpot for Beginners. Today we're talking about associating contacts and companies with your deals. Because let's be honest, a deal without a contact is like sending an invoice out into thin air. So first up, we're going to go find our deals. So head on over to deals, open up the deal that you want to associate a contact to. And once you're in it, on the right-hand side, there'll be these two cards called contacts and companies. All you need to do is hit add, find the contact that you want to associate to the deal. So in this case, I might do this person. You can also give them an association label just to say who they are and how they're associated, like why they're related to this deal. Pretty much do the same thing with companies. So add the company that is involved in this deal. Whoop. Hit next, and again, you can do the same thing, adding an association label. All you need to do now is just double check to make sure this is definitely the correct contact and definitely the correct company to associate to the deal. Keeping your deals connected to the right people is key to staying organized. If you're ready to take your HubSpot game to the next level, let's chat. We're Australia's #1 diamond HubSpot partner, and we'd love to help. Link is in the description. Next, we're going to show you how to move your deals throughout your pipeline so you can keep things flowing. See you in episode 3.